this video I'll be showing you how to create a Telegram group and a Telegram channel. Okay, and oftentimes people ask me, how can I create a Telegram channel, how can I create a Telegram group? So I will be showing you that practically in this video. Okay, so the first thing you need is to have a Telegram account. Okay, and then you sign in into your Telegram account. Okay, so after signing into your Telegram account, you click on this pencil icon below. Okay, now on this pencil icon, when you click on it, you're going to see new group, new secret chat, new channel. So if you want to create a group, you tap on new group. If you want to create a channel, you tap on new channel. Now, what is the difference between a channel and a group? A channel and a group, the major difference is that a group is interactive. Okay, people or subscribers or members of the group can get interactive with each other, they can post. But a channel, the subscribers cannot interact with each other. It is only the admin that can interact or post on the channel, and then every other subscriber or user sees whatever he posts. All right, so now the first thing is to click on new group. If you want to create a group, you click on new group, then you'll be asked who would you want to add. For example, if you want to add somebody, you have to add at least one person to your group, okay, to create the group, and your group can contain up to 200,000 members. Okay, so let me just add any of my random contact quickly. Okay, so I'm going to add this person. Now at least you need to add one person. Then you click on this arrow that is pointing right. Then you give your group a name. I will call it test group. Okay, test group. Then you click on this good mark icon. Okay, then okay, now because this user has privacy settings that somebody who is not in his or her contact list cannot add him or her in a group, so I can't do that. So I will quickly change the user. Okay, but you need to add one user. Let me just get my main line quickly. All right, I'll click on this. Okay, I will click on this icon. Okay, I need to give it a name, test group. Okay, can you see I have created the group? I have successfully created a group. So this is how to create a group. Now I can add up to 200,000 persons in this singular group. Okay, so now that we have a group, you can edit the group by tapping on the group. Click on this pencil icon at the top right side. Okay, you can set group photo. Now this group is private. You can decide to make it a public group, and then you can give it a special link. Okay, a URL that people can access easily. But when you make it a private group, Telegram gives you a special URL that you cannot edit. Okay, but when you make it a public group, you can give it a URL, something like my new group. Okay, maybe 6. So now anybody that clicks on this link comes to this group. Okay, so there are other settings that anybody can do when it comes to your group, but for the purpose of this video, I just want to show you how to set up a Telegram group. In the next video, we'll be talking about the settings involved and what the settings entail. Okay, so now we have our group. So let's head over to create a channel quickly. So still come back to your Telegram homepage, click on this pencil icon, click on new channel. Okay, now this new channel, you can give it a name, test channel. I will use test channel as well. Okay, you can add your description. All right, so once you are done, you click on this good icon. Okay, now they'll ask you whether you want this to be a public channel or a private channel. If you click private, as usual, they will give you a specific URL that you cannot change, but if you click public, you can enter a URL. Okay, something like my new channel, is taking, let me add 6. Okay, for example. So this is how to create a channel. Now you can see that here I was not asked to add anybody initially. Okay, I was not requested or prompted to add somebody, so I can just go ahead and create my channel. Now here they will ask you, you can add one person to your channel. You can skip it at this point and your channel will definitely be opened. But as for the group, you have to add at least one person to proceed with having a group. Okay, so this is my channel. Once you click on these 3 vertical dots, okay, or you tap on the channel dashboard, you can edit it. It has other functions and settings. You can change the privacy. Now, when a group is private or when a channel is private, it means that when people search on Telegram, okay, they cannot find it. But when it is public, people can search on Telegram just your name without having your link and they will find you. Okay, so when it is private, nobody finds you on the search bar. But when it is public, people can type your name or any related keyword that your group or your channel has and they can find you. Okay, so these are some settings associated with having a channel, and in the next video we'll be talking about each of these settings and their functions. Okay, so now we have our channel, we have our group, we have our channel. Okay, we have successfully created a channel and a group. Now there is something you need to know. You can link a channel and a group together. Okay, and once you post on a channel, it will automatically go to the group that you linked the channel to. Okay, so just like I told you, one of the differences between a channel and a group is that if you have 5,000 subscribers to your channel, they will not see themselves. They cannot interact. They will only see the post that admin makes. Okay, but if you have 5,000 members in your group, they can see themselves and they can interact and reply each other. Okay, so now when you want to add a channel to a group, you simply click on the channel dashboard. You click on this pencil icon for settings. Okay, you click on discussion, sorry, then you click on add. Here you'll be asked to either create a new group or select existing groups that you have on your Telegram, which you are an admin, and you can now add it to the channel. Okay, so on this Telegram account I only have one group, and this is the test group. So I can select it. It says make test group the discussion board for test channel. Anyone from the channel will be able to see messages in the group. I will click on link group. Okay, so you can see I have linked the group and the channel together. So whatever I post here will automatically go to the channel. Okay, let me say test posts. All right, can you see test posts? Now let's go to the channel. See, I have a new post, test post. Now, sorry, on the group I have a new post, test post. Now on the channel, if I don't link a channel to a group, once I post on the group, this comment will not show. Leave a comment will not show. Now, subscribers cannot comment or they cannot reply my post on a channel because the channel does not have a group linked to it. Okay, now even if a subscriber is on this channel but not on the group, he or she can comment on a post here because the channel is linked to a group. By the time I disconnect this channel from the group, I disconnect it on link group. Okay, I've done that. So let's go back check, you see that you see that this text post, the ability to drop a comment has disappeared. So that is what it is. So I believe I have successfully shown you how to create a Telegram channel and Telegram group. So in subsequent videos, I'll be talking about the different settings and functions each of these channels and group possess. Thank you, and see you in the next video.